Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little crochet Christmas tree that you can actually decorate. It whips up pretty quick and you can customize it to any size that you want. I use the color Ivy. It is a medium number 4. It's the Michaels brand Craft Smart. I also used a US H or a 5mm hook. For the tutorial, I'm going to be using tan so it shows up better on camera. You're going to start by chaining an even number of chains, and you're going to join that together with a slip stitch to create a circle. Now the height of your Christmas tree is going to be a little more than double the diameter of your circle. So after making the circle, this is when you would measure to make sure that the height is the height that you're looking for with your Christmas tree. After you join with a slip stitch, you are going to chain 3, and that is going to count as your first double crochet in this round. And you are going to work a double crochet in every chain all the way around, and I will meet back up with you at the end. Once you've gone all the way around, you want to double check to make sure that you have an even number of stitches. This is going to be important as we continue. Then you are going to join into the top of your first chain 3 with a slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 3, which is going to count as your first double crochet, and that will always count as your first double crochet in every round. Row 2 is going to be double crochet all the way around, but in row 2 we are going to decrease 2 stitches into 1 stitch twice. And you don't want to do those right next to each other. You want to space those out 180 degrees. And we're going to do that in every single row as we build up, and we're going to be creating a cone. Now how we're going to combine 2 double crochets into 1 is we're going to double crochet 2 stitches together, yarn over, go through the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 but don't finish your double crochet, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, got 3 loops on the hook, then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And you can see that we just combined 2 double crochets into 1, and then you would just double crochet all the way around until you're 180 degrees opposite where you just combined 2 stitches into 1, and you'll do it again. As you get towards the top, this is going to become trickier, but after you do the row where you have your chain 3, you double crochet 2 together, double crochet, and then double crochet 2 together. You're going to find it's quite impossible to do another round. So you're going to chain 3, and then into the top of this, double crochet 2 together, just randomly picking anywhere in the top. And then you've created your peak where you can put the star on. Going to cut your yarn and tie off, and I'll show you how to make the branches that you'll hang your decorations from. To make the branches, we're going to start on the bottom, and you're going to tie on any stitch in the bottom, but we're going to tie around the post of our double crochets. Okay, so we're working from the bottom. We tied on. I have the point facing me. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to do a front post single crochet around that first post. Then you're going to chain 5, you're going to skip the next stitch, and then you're going to single crochet, front post single crochet around that stitch, chain 5, skip the next stitch, front post single crochet into the next stitch, and chain 5 again. And you're going to repeat that all the way around, and I'll show you how to jump from this row to the next row. Okay, I've gone all the way around. I would chain 5, skip this one, and single crochet into the front post, but I'm actually going to chain 6 now. And I'm going to jump to the next round and front post single crochet right underneath where I first started in round 1. And then I'm going to chain 5, and then continue around and do the same thing all the way down, except I'm going to skip the peak. When you're done making your little Christmas tree, you're going to stuff it with polyfill. You're going to crochet a little Christmas tree skirt, which is just crocheting a circle. There's tons of videos on how to make circles, and then you can decorate and put on the lights. In the comments section, I'm going to pin a comment to the top. It'll have affiliate links to all the Christmas tree decorations, the mini lights and the mini beads that I use to decorate the one in the thumbnail picture.